Double-head servo screw capping machine with cap feeder supplier. One of the key benefits is its dual-head design, which enables simultaneous capping of 2 containers at once. This significantly doubles the capping speed compared to a single-head machine, allowing for higher output in a shorter period of time. The servo technology ensures precise control over the capping process. It provides accurate torque application, ensuring that each cap is tightened consistently and securely. This leads to reliable seals and reduces the risk of product leakage or spoilage. The automatic operation of the machine minimizes